Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, looking at a step-by-step process on how to install and use MetaTrader 5 or MT5 on your iPhone. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get the app set up and ready for trading no matter where you are. All right, so let us just quickly start with the basics. MetaTrader 5 is a trading platform that gives you access to charts, indicators, and trade execution. Right, trade execution tools. Having MT5 on your iPhone means you can manage your trades, and analyze the markets while on the move. So the first step is the installation. You just come to your app store, head over to your app store on your iPhone. In the search bar, you search for MetaTrader 5. Type MetaTrader 5, okay? The official MT5 app should appear with a Meta Quotes logo. Okay, so you just tap download, all right? You tap the download button and install the app. You just wait for the app to install. Okay, so once the app is done installing, then we're just going to open it and then we proceed from there. I'm going to be showing you some basic things that you should know. All right, it's done downloading, so I'm going to open the app right away. All right, so now if you are opening this app for the first time, you can just click on the allow so you get notifications and you click on accept. So you're going to be prompted to open a demo account. Okay, if you do not have an account at all, just feel free to open a demo account here. All right, so then you just fill in the information here. All right, okay. Ensure that you put in the correct information though. Okay, all right, so once you're done filling in the necessary information, then you accept and you register. Okay, seems like they're not allowing me to do this. So then you put in your email. All right, so I'm just going to use a random just going to type in random distance for the sake of time. All right, you can then use server, select the lot size, deposit. This is for the deposit amount. Okay, this is just a demo account, so it's not like it matters how much you were selecting as your demo. It's not going to be a real money after all. So here you're going to just okay, so now the demo account has been successfully opened. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to proceed to navigating the app. Okay, all right, if you have a trading account already, you can just go to settings, you go to new account. Okay, and once you go to new account, you go to this search bar. You search for the particular broker that you are using. Let's just use HFM for example. Right, if you have an existing account with a broker, right, and then you put in your login, you put in your password and all of that, click done, and then you log in. All right, now ensure that you use the correct server. Okay, ensure you use the correct server. Now, once you're logged in, you see the MT5 dashboard. Here is where we start customizing the platform for your use. So at the bottom of the screen, you will notice different tabs: the quotes, the charts, trade, history, and settings. So let us begin with the quotes. The quotes tab. Okay, this is where you can see a list of available trading pairs and instruments. You can add or remove symbols by tapping, this pencil button up there, right? So if you want to, for example, you want to delete some pairs, you just tap on them and click on this delete button, and they're going to be removed, right? If you want to add more, you can just search. You can just search for the one you want to add, and of course just click on the ones you want to add, and they're going to be added. You can see they're going to be added to your quotes tab. All right. So the next is the charts tab. So this is where most of your analysis happens. You can change the time frame, by tapping the time frame button. Okay. Let's just any chart you want to open, just tap on it here, click on chart. It's going to take you to the chart. Then on this top left corner is where you have the time frame. You just select the particular is on. Okay, so select the particular time frame that you want to do your analysis on, and it's going to be open. All right. So you add your indicators. If you want to add indicators, you can just click on this F button. You can click on plus, and then you add the indicators that you want to add. All right. Add the indicators that you want to add. You modify the settings as you wish, the properties, and you click on done, and it's going to be added. Another way is to just tap anywhere on your screen and you go to indicators, and then you add the particular indicators that you want, and all of that is pretty straightforward. Okay. So now you can pinch to zoom. You can pinch and just pinch in, pinch out to zoom in and zoom out, right? Okay. Here you have your crosshair, if you want to check for prices and all of that. And then here you have the tools. You can add objects, you can add text and all of that. When you're doing your analysis, you're going to need all those tools. Okay. Here you have your trend line. You can change the thickness and all of that, the colors, and also it's pretty straightforward. Okay. So here, just know that here is for your tools or objects, here is for your indicators, and here is for your crosshair. Okay. Then this is if you want to set pending order directly, right? You set your stop loss, you set your take profit, and then boom, you place the trade, or rather you place the pending order. So this is for pending orders, right? And then if you want to use another pending order, you just tap here. You can see, tap here, particular pending order you want to execute it immediately. And then here, this other one by the right is if you want to execute a trade immediately. This is for instant execution. You set your stop loss. You want to buy, you want to sell, click on the buy button or click on the sell button, and of course, boom, the trade will be executed immediately. Okay. So, but if you want to, go through the longer process of, setting your stop loss, setting your take profits on the order page, all right, you can just come back to these quotes, select the particular asset, you click on trade. All right. So here is where you set your lot size, the particular lot size that you want to use, and then here you set your stop loss. Right, your stop loss price, your take profit price, all of that. So we use market execution. Here you can select the particular kind of order you want. Use market execution if you want to execute the trade instantly. Here we're going to set our stop loss. Here we're going to set our take profit. So whenever you want to buy or you want to sell, just click and it's executed immediately. Okay. So the history tab keeps track of all your past trades. All right. And then you can review how your strategy has been performing and all of that. And finally, the settings, the settings tab is where you can adjust your preferences. You can switch accounts. If you have more than one account open, you can click on this plus sign to add another account. All right, so here is where you can switch accounts. And then of course can get your any other notifications and settings. You go to your settings, you can see if you want enable news, enable auto log, sounds, and all these things. Yeah, just from the settings you can do whatever things you need to do over there. Okay, so basically I think I've taken you through the process of the major things that you need to know with this app. All right, the major things that you need to know. So you can be able to close all your trades at once, whether they're in profit or they're in loss. If you want to do bulk operation, you just click on these three dots here and click whether you want to close losing positions or close profitable positions, depending on, remember these are just random trades we opened. Okay, we had some profitable trades, perhaps you can be able to close your winning positions here. Or if you want to close all positions, perhaps you are the kind of trader that opens multiple trades, multiple positions. So in order to save time closing them one by one, you can just click here, right? Close all positions, and all of them are just going to be closed. And then you can also close all your orders, even if you have multiple orders open at a time. So that is it, guys. Now you know how to install and use MetaTrader 5 on your iPhone. With these steps, you can easily set up your platform, monitor charts, and place trades right from your mobile device. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you click the like button and subscribe so you don't miss future step-by-step trading guides and strategies. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.